not speak out. I don't know. I just wanted to say it.
All right, y'all. We didn't record anything for Robert, so let's try to get him at least a little bit of usable footage. Nobody say. Nobody say. For like 45. Okay, no. Let's keep it G.
As soon as you start press record, I'm gonna say nothing but.
All right. Looks like we're gonna do music over this clip.
I could.
Say what's up. Let's go.
Oh.
Two benders. Nobody act weird. Nobody act weird. Don't act weird, dude. Don't act weird. Put your hood on. Wait, you have a GoPro on yours too. Yeah, dude. You could do dueling GoPros.
Yeah, you can see me seeing you.
Whoa, dude. It's like the
We're just
fifth
being
element.
idiotic. We're just being idiotic. All right, I'm turning it off. Everyone relax. We get our experience from the experience. Fab School, baby.
Let me get it.
Hey.
Can I look up this one and answer your question? Alright.
Put this guy like you saw before.
Damn. I like that. That works. Howdy, man.
Test 1, 2, 3.
My name is Ian Breyer.
My name is Dalton Ursua.
My name is Marcos Diaz-Severio.
My name is Victor Gonzalez.
My name is Eric Stinson.
My name is Nathan Soto. I'm currently taking the metal. My name is Nathan Soto, and I'm taking the Principles of Metal Fabrication.
Yeah, my name is Johannes Hugo, and I am attending the Fab School, specifically the Principles of Fabrication course. Before joining the school, I was on an artistic journey. I did some freelance work in film and also some metal sculpture, and I just wanted to refine my metal crafting skills more. So after doing a lot of research, a bunch of different programs, I wasn't looking at just doing a 4-year welding program. I found the Fab School, and it was just the perfect curriculum.
Well, I served 21 years in the military. Prior to going out, I wanted to prepare myself for the future, and I'm interested in motorcycles and have no understanding of welding, so I figured if the time comes where I need to hire someone, I needed to know what I'm talking about, know what I'm looking at. That way I hire the right person for the right job.
Before I joined the school, I was working construction with pretty much my family, and my dad just asked me would I like to go to school, and I told him no, but after a while of working just construction with them, I was like, don't really like this work, it doesn't pay well. So I was just digging around, looking at what I want to expand my knowledge in, and I found this school from a friend that I hang out with, and he told me that if I was interested in welding, fell in love with it, and I was like, why not?
Before joining, I was actually in the union doing iron work and just hanging iron, going from job site to job site.
I started off doing body work and stuff like that. Just wanted to broaden my spectrum with just learning how to fabricate, metal fabricate better.
I was just working warehouse jobs. I just looked for something that could start my career and looked into welding and it was interested into it. I seen it on Instagram, and from there I kind of just looked more into it, called. Manny helped me out, gave me some advice, and here I am.
Yo, coming up hot. So what you guys are going to want to do here is you're just going to want to take your measurement. It's about a degree for every quarter. I'm Johan. I have the honor here today to be with Nora race champion Angel Morphin. Fresh off the Nora, how's it feel?
We made it to the finish, but we were having clutch problems, but
That's what teams are for right there, brother.
thank you, Nora. Thanks, Hap Kellogg. Thanks, Troy Johnson with the Fab School.
Thank you to my #1 night class.
Thank you.
Yo, yo.
course, for the curriculum, do you feel like your skills have been developed?
Yes, when I first started, I'm pretty sure everyone's went through this. When you first start, you just hard on yourself, and I was taking it bit by bit, and then with the help of my instructors, I was just able to improve myself overall.
Oh yeah, 100%. 100%. I feel like my skills have, you know, soared way higher than my expectations ever, you know, imagined.
Oh yeah, starting from zero to where I'm at now, it's definitely came a long way.
Oh yeah, I totally have a total understanding of welding, what I'm looking for, and when I do a project, I know if it's going to stick or not.
Yeah, now I have an understanding of how welding works. I had no idea how welding worked in the beginning, and now I have an understanding.
Oh yeah, 100%.
During this course, my skills have 100% been developed. I was very interested in learning how to properly TIG weld, which isn't something that you can just go and ask every single one of your neighbors. I was interested in learning how to TIG weld, and I'm fully confident in my TIG welding. I've gotten a job already where I get to weld and fabricate on architectural fabrication. In the next few years, I would like to explore more the industry that I'm currently in, architectural fabrication. I just want to continue to hone those skills, specifically more on the artistic, sculptural end of things, kind of large, swooping, modern sculptures.
In the future, I'd like to explore the Composites program that they have here. I was always fascinated with Formula One cars, and they're pretty much just built on carbon fiber, and you know, I'd like to look into that.
Motorcycle fabrication. That's what I'm interested in.
Probably the aerospace industry. You get worked to death, but you get a lot more money.
NHRA or for the drift scene?
To be honest, is whatever industry is willing to, you know, offer me a good pay.
Honestly, I would like to get into aerospace, somewhere along those lines, and just kind of get into, yeah, something where, not where the money is, but where it's, you know, can also be good for my skills and my career. You might want to, I almost, dude, your fuzzy thing came off, Omar. $1 trillion.
Just answer the whole thing in Spanish.
Yeah, do it. Dude, it's like a death row like album cover.
Don't say anything, literally just poker face the entire.
Can I look up this way and answer your questions?
Try to tell me not to smile.
Good?
No.
You be serious. Be serious second.
Survey says.
What was like the best moments you had with them or your instructors?
I would say the class was pretty kind of opened up more, never opened up as much as I opened up with them. Pretty fun. I don't know. Screaming all the time, it was pretty cool.
I'm glad I came in with this class because the time flew by with them. It was never boring. It was always exciting. There was something happening, and you know, I'm just grateful that I got good instructors, good classmates. It just was a perfect time here.
This will probably be one of the favorite moments, because you'll see later. And then just Ian coming up out of nowhere with a piece of whatever he can find.
Honestly, being with the classmates and the teachers, hands down. Yeah, just the environment everyone brought, you know, just alongside whether it was our class or the whole school. So everything about it was really enjoyable.
The best moments that I've had in class is just the bond that our class has made over the past 6 months. Obviously the first couple months, everybody's starting to get to know each other, but I genuinely look forward to seeing these guys. I'm gonna miss them when this course is over, and I think that I'm lucky for that. I've been able to make some great friends here.
Just every day was a movie. Just everybody is just a character, and you know, just all the guys in the class. You know, we all were quiet at the beginning, but you know, we all warmed up to each other.
Eric, congratulations on finally getting to graduate. I'm gonna make sure that I sneak up on you because I'm gonna be here in the back to shake your hand. Proud of you, brother. Good job.
What up, Eric? Congratulations, bro. Keep up the good work.
What's up, Eric? Congratulations. Good stuff, man. Have a good journey. What's up, Eric? Happy graduation, bro. Congratulations. I knew you'd finish it, man. Proud of you, bro.
Gotta hit it for the one time for him. Thank you to all the instructors here at the school, because if without you guys, I wouldn't be able to just learn or do any of the things that I've been doing here. So I really appreciate that.
To the instructors, they didn't waste time. They treated us like adults, and like you said, learn from the best.
Thanks to all the instructors, the school for giving me the experience I have now, and just ready to take it on to the next level.
No. I'm just kidding. Obviously, I want to thank my wife. She has moved across the country here to California to help support me in this dream, and this would not be possible without somebody who's willing to sacrifice like that. So thank you, honey. I love you so much.
One more, give me a shout out. Give me a shout out.
Oh yeah, shout out. Shout out to the dead homies. Honestly, shout out to probably just my friends, my mom, teachers, stuff like that. Just whoever supports me, That's all that matters.
I just want to give thanks to my parents for giving me the opportunity to come here and learn. And I want to thank my instructors for helping me improve my skills in fabrication.
I'd like to give a shout out to Chesty Pooler, wherever you are.
Shout out to my parents, shout out to the instructors who taught me, and then shout out to Casper, who's next to me.
Oh, dude, my upper lip is sweating so much. I'm a very sweaty person right now.
All right, thanks, man.
You're holding your breath too.
Yeah, I'm like, damn.
Good job, man.
Thanks, man.
Go, man.